Alright, I'm out here in my garage. Got some more parts for my Ranger build. Well, the truck's done, but I got some more parts. Transmission parts. So let's see what we got today. Oh, that's nice. He gave me the bolts and the cup. We have a shifter. Now, I picked up the Hurst shifter because I kind of like the way the original shifter feels. This one has the stops on it so that we don't overthrow third and fourth gear. Paid $75 for it, used on eBay. Also have, and picked this one up a while back, a B&M Ripper shifter. I believe this is the sport version. Now, from what I've been told and read online, this uses special washers and bolts. This is a short throw shifter. Not really familiar with the washers and the special bolts. If anybody has any info on that one, that would be great. But this one should be a direct bolt in. I don't know if this is a short throw shifter or not. I don't believe it is. But if anybody has any info on how to adjust the stops, I don't know if you put it in third and fourth gear, turn them back a half turn or an 8 turn, and then lock them down. Not really familiar, but hopefully you guys can let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.